Ciao Pominzi. Welcome to beautiful Rome. My name is Sofia Antonelli, and today I am going to show you how to experience all the wonders of Rome without breaking the budget. Yes, Rome may be known for its grandeur and ancient history, but it's also a city that welcomes travelers on all kinds of budgets. Let's get started, shall we? Rome is a treasure trove of history, and the best part, many of its most iconic landmarks are either free or have ways to visit at a lower cost. Let's start with the classics, the Colosseum, Roman Forum, and Vatican City. Did you know that there are specific days when you can visit these landmarks for free or at a reduced rate? For example, the Colosseum offers free entry on the first Sunday of each month. But be prepared for crowds, it's a popular day. And the Vatican Museums. They are free on the last Sunday of the month, but be sure to arrive early as the lines get long. Now, let me show you some of Rome's hidden gems. Villa Borghese, for instance, is a stunning park where you can enjoy art, nature, and history, all without spending a cent. Or visit the Aventine Hill, where you can find the famous keyhole view of St. Peter's Basilica, truly magical and completely free. If you love art, check out the street art in Ostians. It's a vibrant and creative side of Rome that many tourists miss. And again, totally free. Budget-friendly food and drink. Now, let's talk about food, Mamma Mia. You don't need to spend a fortune to eat well in Rome. One of my favorite cheap eats is pizza al taglio, pizza by the slice. You can grab a delicious slice for just a few euros and enjoy it while strolling through Rome's streets. And for fresh and affordable food, visit one of Rome's many markets. Campo di Fiori is one of the most famous, but if you're looking for something more local and budget-friendly, try the Testaccio Market. You'll find everything from fresh produce to ready-made meals at great prices. And don't forget about aperitivo. For the price of one drink, you often get a selection of free snacks. It's a perfect way to enjoy a light meal on a budget. Some of the best places for aperitivo can be found in the neighborhoods of Trastevere and Monte. Rome is a city best explored on foot. But when you need to rest, the public transportation system is your friend. The metro, buses, and trams are all affordable. And you can save even more by purchasing a multi-day pass, which allows unlimited travel for a set period of time. A 24-hour pass is just a few euros, and a 72-hour pass is even better value. There are also great apps that can help you navigate the system and find the quickest routes. But honestly, one of the best ways to see Rome is simply by walking. Explore neighborhoods like Trastevere, Monte, and Testaccio. Each has its own charm, and the history is everywhere you look. When it comes to finding a place to stay, Rome has many options for budget travelers. Hostels are a great choice if you want to save money and meet other travelers. Many offer private rooms for couples or solo travelers, and the prices are much more affordable than hotels. Airbnb is another good option, especially if you're staying for a longer period. You can find entire apartments or shared spaces for a fraction of what you'd pay for a hotel. Or, if you're feeling adventurous, why not try couch surfing? It's a great way to meet locals and experience the city through their eyes. Local events and festivals. Rome is full of events and festivals throughout the year, many of which are free or very affordable. During the summer, you can find outdoor film festivals, cultural nights, and live music in parks like Villa Ada or Villa Borghese. And don't forget about the religious events. If you're here during Easter, attending the Papal Mass at St. Peter's Square is a truly unforgettable experience. And it's free. If you want to explore beyond Rome, there are plenty of affordable day trips you can take using public transportation. Places like Tivoli, with the beautiful Villa di Este, or Ostia Antica, a well-preserved ancient Roman town, are just a short train ride away and cost very little to visit. Finally, one of the best ways to save money in Rome is simply by walking. Rome's city center is compact, and many of the most famous landmarks are within walking distance of each other. You can create your own self-guided tour. Start at the Spanish Steps, then head to the Trevi Fountain, Pantheon, and finish at Piazza Navona. No tour guide necessary.
So there you have it, amici. Rome is a city full of life history and culture, and you can experience it all on a budget. I hope you found these tips helpful and that they inspire you to explore this incredible city without worrying about your wallet. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that button. Until next time, arrivederci.